Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: level, gear, and server choice. Once done, head to islands where lightning-type spawns occur and stay near the waterline. The game tends to spawn them along coast edges. Make sure to have high mobility and a fast ship so you can reach spawn points before others. Prepare fruit detection tools or join a squad. Solo works, but a team increases chances and lets you contest spawns while managing aggro and timers. You now act on spawn windows, monitor announcements, and note the timer so you arrive slightly early. Once the lightning entity appears, approach cautiously, kite with ranged attacks to learn its patterns, then commit with your fruit or melee combo when it's staggered. Prioritize dodging teleport or area attacks. Timing hacky blocks and short invulnerability frames prevents fatal hits. If teamed, assign one player to bait and others to DPS. Coordination shortens the fight and reduces wasted respawns. You finish by ensuring you land the killing blow to claim the lightning fruit. Once the entity dies, loot appears quickly, so move and fast. After pickup, exit the area using a planned extraction route and ship speed boosts to avoid PvP thieves. If you miss the drop or another player steals it, relog or change servers and return at the next spawn window. Alternatively, tweak arrival timing or use stealth approaches to reduce contesting. Trouble persists.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.